So, you'll do it?
I'll do it. One condition.
Oh, you have conditions now.
Just one.
Hey, guys, look, I'm sorry. I would love to stay. I really would, but I got some work for this little group. I don't know if you've heard of them. They're called the Power Rangers.
Watch your back, Ziggy!
Ziggy Grover, reporting for Judy. I'm a huge fan. No, coming here for the big thing. Oh, there you go. Hey? Hey.
Okay, so one good reason we're bringing this guy with us?
He can make shadow puppets.
Series Black DNA morph bonding sequence initiated. Series Black online.
RPM! Get in gear!
Congratulations.
How does it feel? It's a little tight, but
Oh, yeah. That has got to be the coolest thing I've ever seen in my... Wait. Don't move. Hold that pose. It's perfect. Okay, ready?
Hey,
A red. Squeeze a little closer to black. Yeah. That's perfect. That's great. Oh, no.
This is just embarrassing.
Yellow, your eyes were closed. Let's try another one.
Can he even see my eyes?
Black, can I see a smile?
What
Yeah,
are
you're
you
a
talking
Power Ranger,
about?
so have fun
Come
with it.
on, take
okay,
a
ready?
shot.
1, 2, 3, Rangers! Oh, I'm kind of ruining a special Ranger moment here, aren't I? Maybe stepping on tradition just a bit. Totally cool. I understand. Just pretend like I'm not even here. There is one thing I gotta know. What's with the spandex? Talk about sensitive.
Would it be a cliche for me to point out that you missed a spot?